Welcome to solverfy.
All right, so for this problem, it says in 2000, the population of a country reached 4.5 million, and in 2025, it is expected to be 7 million. We want to find the values for P of 0 and A so that we can create an equation. Now, P of 0 is going to be our initial population, which we're given, because in 2000, the population is 4.5 million. So our P of 0 value is going to be 4.5 million. Then we know that in 2025, our population is 7 million. So we're going to use these two values to figure out what our A would be. We know that 7 million, that's going to be our population. Our P of 0 is 4.5. We want to figure out our A, and then our X is going to be 2025 minus 2,000. To solve for our A, we're going to need to divide both sides by 4.5. So we're going to get 7 divided by 4.5 equals A to the 25th power. And then to find our A value, we're just going to need to take the 25th root of both sides, which you're going to want to do in your calculator. And if you round that to 5 decimal places, you should get that your A value is 1.01783. Now that we have our A and our P of 0, we have our equation. So to solve B and C, we're just going to use our equation. So if we want to find the population in 2010, we're going to plug that in for X. So F of X is going to equal our P of 0, which is 4.5, times 1.01783. And then our X is 2010 minus 2,000. And then if you plug that in to your calculator, you should get 5.37, which we know would be million. So the population would be 5.37 million. Then to find out the next question for C, we want to figure out what year the country's population might reach 10 million. To do this, I use guess and check. So I know that in 2025, it's projected to be 7 million. So I'm just going to plug in different years to see when I would reach 10 million. So I started with 50. So I plugged in 50s or 2050 in for X. And when I did that, I got 10.8. So I know by the year 2025 or 2050 that we would reach 10.8 million, but I want to know if it would happen earlier. So then I tried that X was equal to 45. So I plugged in the year 2045 in for X, and I got that the population would be 9.96. So now I'm lower than 10.8. Then I tried 46. So 2046. So I plugged in 2046 into my equation and plugged that into my calculator and got 10.14. So I know that somewhere in between year 2045 and 2046, my population is going to reach 10 million. So I'm going to say by the year 2046, the population will reach 10 million.